I'm Marco De Rivo. I'm an executive director at Mickey Travel, and I'm on the board of ETOA as well as on the advisory council. Things are very exciting on the Asian market right now. We have experienced in the last few years what has been called as the revenge travel, and is now transforming in a trend where we can see a lot of new initiative. There is a lot of interest for luxury travel, as well as small flexible itinerary for small groups, which is actually a new trend for the Asian market, with a particular interest into the family travel, and therefore flexibility and being able to offer different new travel itinerary has become quite an important factor to be able to operate on those markets. The main trend in Asia right now is to favor more flexible itinerary and small group travel, especially focusing on the family one. Mickey as a group has been focusing quite a lot in trying to offer that kind of flexibility and allowing us to better package these small groups comparing to the large group that we were used back in 2019 and before then. And this gives us obviously a lot of different opportunity for both the consumer and the operator on having different experience when traveling to Europe. An important factor to help this development now is using AI, which are helping us to develop new itinerary more quick, and in a way that it's more attractive for the agent. The Japanese market is held back by the less availability of flight to Europe, and obviously, as I mentioned before, by the weaker yen, which makes a tour package to Europe much more expensive than it used to be in, for example, 2019. That means that most agents at the moment are favoring a nearby destination where costs can be more contained, and therefore make it more attractive for the Japanese consumer to buy those destinations. The biggest challenge for long-haul tourism right now is costs, of course, but as well we are suffering the same as most tourism for the over-tourism campaign that is going across some very popular destination, as well as access to ticketing, especially when we are considering the tour package and groups. It's becoming more complex to buy ticket to attraction and to have access to those attractions, as well as to visiting some of the most famous landmarks across the continent. The biggest opportunity is to make sure that we make it as simple and as smooth as possible, the access to each country. So being visa friendly, being open to the welcoming the Asian markets and the Japanese market, and being able to offer competitiveness. It's definitely on the top of the list. Europe remains one of the most sought after destination for all these markets, but we cannot be complacent. We have to make it accessible to them to come and visit. We're looking forward to see you all at the China European Marketplace, which will be held in May in Shanghai and Beijing.